Hi guys, today I am coming with a very important topic in microbiology, rickettsial disease. Mnemonic is RIT, where R is stand for Rocky Mountain Spotty Fever. Agent is R. rickettsia. I is for Indian tick typhus. R. Conori is an agent. T is for tick is a vector. Whereas in TEL, T is for trench fever, agent is Bartonella quinetana, E is for epidemic typhus, L is vector Lewis. Epidemic typhus agent is R. Provazaki. Mnemonic SRM, where S stands for scrub typhus, agent is R. Tushugamushi, and R is for rickettsial pox, agent is R. Akari. M is for mite, is a vector for SRM. Thank you.